So let me present to you Vaxxel. Well, first of all, infectious disease is something which is pretty important, has great importance in the recent months for everybody. And we are working on two viruses that are causing havoc for children below the age of 5. And if you have small children, you certainly have heard about bronchiolitis that affects infants during the winter season. And the two viruses that cause bronchiolitis are called human metapneumovirus and human respiratory virus, HMPV and HRSV. And again, they are circulating more during the winter than in the summer. And these two viruses also affect older adults and cause pneumonia. In 2019 alone, these two viruses accounted for 80,000 hospitalizations for children below the age of 5 in the US. And today, no licensed vaccine is available against these two viruses. The addressable market is estimated at more than 5 billion euro. And this is from a benchmark from existing vaccine that target the same population. So that's why we've created Vaxxel in Lyon, in France. And Vaxxel is a spin-off of the virology lab of the Lyon University. And we are developing vaccines that target these two viruses, HMPV and HRSV. So how does our vaccine work? Well, we are developing a live attenuated intranasal vaccine. This means that our vaccine mimics the natural infection through the airwaves, through the mouth or through the nose, without, of course, the pathogenicity of the virus. That's why it's attenuated. So who is part of the team? The main founders are, number one, Dr. Manuel Rosa Calatrava, who is the head of the virology lab, INSERM lab in the University of Lyon. And he has very large experience in virology and is an internationally recognized team. And they have recently, for instance, published more than 10 papers on COVID-19 research to support both clinical trial and basic research. On the other side of the Atlantic, in Quebec, in Canada, in Laval, we are working with Professor Guy Boivin, who is a top worldwide expert on human metapneumovirus. And I'm myself, Denis Cavert, and I have worked for more than 15 years in the vaccine industry with companies such as Sanofi Pasteur, MSD, and Baxter. So where does the project stand today? Well, we have gone through preclinical proof of concept on mice for the monovalent human metapneumovirus vaccine candidate. And we have showed 100% protection for vaccinated mice when they are challenged with wild-type virus. By the end of the year, we want to reach our first value milestone, which is to get preclinical proof of concept for the bivalent vaccine, which would protect against both HMPV and HRSV. And we are seeking 900,000 euro to get to these milestones and characterize the virus. So at Vaxxel, we are developing the first bivalent intranasal vaccine against these two viruses, HMPV and HRSV. We want to start clinical phase 1, so the first administration on human by 2023, and then provide to investors at that time an exit strategy with an aim to have a multiple of 25. Going forward, we aim to launch or to contribute to launch the first vaccine against bronchiolitis to protect small children. Thank you.